Okay, so I think you don't know the basic, so I'm just going to run through two different questions just to run through with you the basic. After this video, I'll do another one, higher level one, okay? So, question number one is this: y is directly proportional. Okay, the word directly can be there, or they don't need to they don't put directly also can. They can just say proportional. It means the same thing. Okay, so if I say y is proportional to the square of x, you must see whatever they write first, you write first. Whatever they write second, which is not just x, but the square of x, right? That means it's x square lah. Then because it's directly proportional or proportional, both mean the same thing, then this second variable here, x square, right, is at the numerator. That means they are both at the numerator. Okay, and this k is always at the numerator. Okay, so I think the easiest way to study is to compare with the other case where it is inversely proportional. So whenever you see this word inversely, it means that this first one, okay, is equals to k. As I mentioned, k is always at the numerator. Alright, this is inversely proportional to the square of x. That means is over, this inversely means you invert this x square. Okay, now once you have gotten this relationship, so take note, whenever you see inversely, then you invert the second one. Invert means you put it at the denominator. Okay, after that they will surely give you some clues, okay, so they can find k. They give you some clues, then you can find k. So if I were to sub in, it's just like that, 128 equals to k. Then this one put bracket, must square it. Okay, which means it's 4k, right? And then if I want to find k, I divide both sides by 4. Alright, and I'll get k equals to 32, which means that the formula is actually this. Now you need to find the formula first, which is why they give you this clue, in order to find what y is equals to when x equals to 3 lah. Okay, so you sub x equals 3, then you can find y equals to 32, 3 square, and then you can get the answer. Okay, you go and work it out yourself. Alright, so that is the most basic you must know for variation or proportion. Okay, now if it's inversely, then it's the same thing. This one, 128 you sub in, then k is always at the numerator. You see k is always at the numerator. This is k square over 1, and this x you just sub in. And in this case, because you want to find k, right, you don't want to have this 4 at the denominator, so what you do is you multiply by k both sides, right? Times k here, times k here, so you will have this. Okay, whatever you do on the left, you do on the right, then you will get your k equals to some value lah. I think it's 256. So 512. Okay, so k is 512, and from here you can work out this formula. You need this formula in order to carry on and find this. So later you just sub in and then you can find the answer. Okay, I will not go through this. Okay, you wait a while. Okay, I will send you another video later. Okay, which is questions that are harder. Alright, this is super basic level. Okay.